weeks in the coming days. So the situation is not good right now.
Okay. So Umar, so you are looking after SAP right?
Yes.
Okay. So could you tell me something about SAP module?
SAP module mainly covers two things related to material. First, it looks around complete procurement cycle, which is from raising purchase requisition to generating an invoice for the material. Those material could be for stock material or consumable material, asset, service, anything. And the second important thing is material management, in which the inventory is managed, issuance of stock, the cost center for production, for anything, or transferring from plant to plant. So mainly it consists of two things. First is procurement and second is inventory management.
Okay. So what is your major job responsibilities in your current role?
Currently, I am a senior SAP consultant at Telemarks Consulting. So right now we have just kicked off our new project, which is Puma Energy, which is a trading company and a trading company of mostly oil and lubricant. So I'm looking after the MM part in this project. It has just kick-started last week.
Okay, can you give the names of the tables where the material master data is stored?
There are many tables. So, for example, if you talk about the material master, so the main table is Mad Dog, Para, and if you talk about purchase orders, so the header is EKKO and item detail is EKPO. So similarly, these sort of tables are there in SAP. Similarly, there is a table for invoice in which all the invoice fields goes.
Okay. Okay. So please tell me how to release purchase order and which transaction code is used to display
ME,
as well as reset the release of PO.
ME29N.
Okay. Okay. So how to release purchase order then?
To release purchase order, you need to enter the P code ME29N. If you want to display the purchase order, ME23N.
Okay. 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 So answer. Okay. Okay. So give me the names of the tables where the header level and item data are stored in a purchase order.
Yeah, I just told you. I think the header table is EKKO and item detail table is EKPO.
Very good. Very good. Can you tell me what is release strategy and how many release points can be involved in a release process?
Release strategy. You can have a release strategy on purchase requisition, purchase order, contract, and request for quotation. And the main purpose for release strategy is to sort of get a control of what company is going to procure, so that shouldn't be like everyone is procuring whatever they want. So mainly it's for the controlling of procurement. And the next question was, within this question, what was the next? What was the other question in release strategy?
Another question was what is release strategy and how many release points can be involved in a release process?
If I talk about specifically in purchase order, the table is CBAN in through which we there are fields in CBAN table. So the fields which are there present in CBAN field, we can use any field and use it as our point of release strategy.
Okay. Okay, so can you tell me what is the use of split valuation?
Split valuation, I can give you an example. So if you have two types of material, material code is same, but you're going to procure it locally, and uh, you're going to import as well, but the material code is same. So you can have a split valuation, and you can have a two valuation classes for the same material. In that way, you will have a valuation of import materials separately and local materials separately.
Okay. So, what is your idea about RTP?
RDP,
RTP, returnable
uh,
transport packaging.
packaging, uh, mainly the projects that I've worked on are mostly related to service industry and trading industry, and the knowledge of production industries are very limited to me.
Okay, I understand. Okay. Anyway, so can you tell me how material valuation is associated with financial accounting?
Yeah, so let me give you a whole picture. So first we create a material type, all right, and
Hmm.
then we create account category reference. So the way I used to explain it is, I give the name of account category reference as a bridge. So a bridge has two ends. So both ends has to meet somewhere in order for you to cross the bridge. So the bridge is account having category. Uh, One end of that bridge will be material type, and the other end of the bridge will be valuation class. So, and behind valuation class, there will be a GL assigned to MobiYC. So this is our system picks automatically a GL, which is assigned behind valuation class.
Okay, so Umar, so why would an organization need to allow negative stocks?
Organizations, why they need to allow negative stock? I haven't gone through any such industry so far in my four implementations. So I don't know what's the reason why would they want to have a negative stock.
Okay, anyway. So, can you tell me what is menu path to create a document notification for your supplier?
Menu path to create a document notification for my
Ye-
supplier.
Yes, yes.
Uh, Sorry, I can't get your question. You mean to say, should I send my supplier? Obviously, it's going to be a vendor,
No, no, no. So
so
my
I need to.
question is, what is the menu path? For example, let me tell you the answer. So at first you have to select material management, then you have to
Okay.
do logistic invoice verification, and after that message determination. This is the menu path to create a document notification for your supplier. Anyway, so let me move to another question. Uh, what transaction codes are used with reservations? Can you tell me?
Uh, to create a reservation, I don't know exactly the code of it.
Okay, okay, okay. So my next question is,
You can you can directly go to Migo screen, and you select a movement type for creating a reservation.
okay. So it's going to be my last question. Can you tell me what
Okay.
is LIFO valuation?
Sorry.
What is LIFO valuation? LIFO valuation.
Uh, LIFO is last in, first out. So the last one comes in should have the price. I think this is the answer. Deep evolution. I
So,
don't know the exact
Omar,
concept of.
so how many people are working with you right now in your team?
Um, Altogether, there are 80 to 90 consultants right now at Telemas Consulting.
Okay, so are you supervising anyone among your team members?
I am supervising two people right now. They are under. They have just started their career in SAP. So I'm supervising two people right now.
Okay, so if you are given the responsibility to lead a team of 10 people, what would be your strategy, and are you mentally and fit to lead the team?
Um, if there is a multiple tasks, you can assign multiple people to multiple tasks. That's not a problem to lead 10 people or 20 people.
Okay. So do you consider yourself a good leader?
Uh, yes.
So why do you think that?
The reason I would say yes to be a good leader is I don't use people to, you know, get work done. I help them so that as a team, as a whole team, we would like to grow. I don't want just for me to grow or, you know,
Okay, okay. So what is your weakness?
so far, whatever weakness I have seen, I've tried to overcome it. So, for example, at the start of my career, 3 years ago, my confidence was very low. That was my weakness. So I worked on it, and now alhamdulillah, I'm fine with that. So weakness, you don't know until you get into deep waters. So whenever you find a weakness, you work on it and you become better at it.
What is your
That is
strength?
my way of thinking. My strengths are I'm not afraid of to go in difficult situations. Um, that's what I would say. My strength is.
Okay, Omar, thank you so much for joining this interview. So, as you know, this is the initial phase of this recruitment process. So, once
Okay.
you are shortlisted here in this round, then you will be contacted for the second round of the interview. Okay, and
Okay.
the process will be going on further. So, I once again thank you for joining.
Yeah.
So,
Thank you.
take care, Omar.
Okay. Good night. Bye.